The best-selling Class C motorhome just got a brand new floor plan. This is the Four Winds 28E and is this week's featured floor plan. You'll love the space in the 28E. This is the motorhome your family has been waiting for. The driver will love the Ford E-Series chassis with a 6.8-liter V10, an 8,000-pound hitch, and dash touchscreen with backup monitor. Passengers will love the ride. Have a seat on the comfortable sofa or gather around the dinette. Both have seatbelts for the trip and offer up great views of the flat-screen TV with Blu-ray player. After setting up camp with the optional electronic stabilizing system, both the dinette and sofa quickly convert into beds. Need room for one more? The overcab bunk is always a favorite. The kitchen serves up all the conveniences of home: your gas cooktop, oven, microwave, and double-door fridge. The flip-up countertop extension, along with large cabinets and a pantry, means you will have room to create all your favorite meals. You'll love the large curbside window, great for watching the sunrise with a fresh pot of coffee plugged into the convenient pop-up outlet. The 28E does not skimp on space in the bathroom, featuring a large shower with skylight and vent fan, stainless steel sink with storage above and below. In the bedroom, you'll find a queen-size bed, large closets, TV and coach radio system with exterior speakers also connected to the optional exterior TV. You can entertain rain or shine thanks to the power patio with integrated LED lighting. Like what you see? You can learn more about the Four Winds 28E at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world. Over 200 acres and $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?